If you want to become more self-sufficient and reduce your reliance on customer service for support, there are several steps you can take. 1. Product research. Before making a purchase or starting a new service, read user manuals and FAQs available online. Look for product or service reviews. Other users often share their experiences and solutions to common problems. Ensure that the product or service meets all your needs and is user-friendly. 2. Documentation and manuals. Always keep user manuals, guides, and any other documentation that comes with a product or service. Digital products, services usually have online manuals or help sections. Familiarize yourself with these. 3. Self-service options. Many companies provide self-service portals, knowledge bases, and FAQs on their websites. Use search functions or indexes to quickly find the information you need. 4. Online communities. Forums, discussion boards, and social media groups can be valuable resources. Other users might have faced similar issues and can provide solutions. Websites like Stack Exchange or Reddit and others often have communities dedicated to specific topics or products. 5. Tutorials and how-to guides. Websites like YouTube have a plethora of tutorial videos. Whether it's setting up a new device, software troubleshooting, or DIY repairs, there's often a video for it. 6. Backup and recovery. Regularly back up important data and settings. This way, if something goes wrong, you can restore to a previous state without needing support. 7. Stay updated. Regularly update software, apps, and devices. Updates often contain bug fixes and improvements, which can reduce the need for support. 8. Training and courses. Consider taking a course or training on the software or device you're using, especially if it's essential for your work or daily life. 9. Experiment and learn. Spend some time playing around with new devices or software in a safe environment. Familiarity can help you troubleshoot issues later on. 10. Notes and documentation. Keep notes on any issues you face and how you resolve them. Over time, you'll build a personal troubleshooting guide. 11. Preventive measures. Use protective cases, surge protectors, antivirus software, and other preventive measures to protect your devices and reduce the risk of issues. 12. Know the limitations. While it's great to try solving issues on your own, know when it's time to reach out for help. If you're not comfortable or risk causing more damage, it's better to consult with professionals. By taking these steps, you can become more self-reliant and confident in handling issues. However, remember that customer service exists for a reason. It's okay to reach out when needed. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment.